Arson and explosives. Excessive energy liberated as heat and light is known as combustion. Flashpoint is the lowest temperature at which a liquid gives off sufficient vapor to form a mixture with air that will support combustion. Chemical breakdown of solid material is known as pyrolysis. Smoldering is known as glowing combustion, for example burning cigarette or red glow of hot charcoal. Reaction rate is doubled or tripled when temperatures increase by 10 degrees Celsius or 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Spontaneous combustion is the result of natural heat producing process in poorly ventilated containers or areas, for example hay stored in barns. Explosives. Black powder or low explosive contains 75% potassium nitrate, 15% carbon and 10% sulfur. Nitroglycerin is the main constituent of dynamite. Most arsons are started with petroleum-based accelerants such as gasoline or kerosene. Search for traces of flammable liquid residues may be aided by the use of highly sensitive portable vapor detector or sniffer. Gas chromatograph is the most sensitive and reliable instrument for detecting flammable residues. In low explosives, speed of deflagration is observed, whereas in high explosive it is called speed of detonation. High explosives include dynamite, RDX, TNT and PETN. Black powder becomes explosive or lethal only when it is confined. Primary explosives are ultra-sensitive to heat, shock, friction and under normal conditions detonate violently instead of burning. For this reason, they are used to detonate other explosives through a chain reaction and are often referred to as primers. Primary explosives provide the major ingredient of blasting cap and include lead azide, lead stiphnate and diazonitrophenol. Secondary explosives are relatively insensitive to heat, shock, friction and normally burn rather than detonates. Example of ammonium nitrate based explosives are water gels, emulsions and ANFO. Water gels are water resistant explosives and are employed for blasting under wet conditions. They are made up of ammonium nitrate and sodium nitrate gelled with natural polysaccharides such as guar gum. Ammonium nitrate soaked in fuel oil is an example known as ANFO. TATP is a homemade explosive that has been used by terrorist organizations. RDX is often encountered in the form of pliable plastic of dough-like consistency known as composition C4. Military dynamite contains no nitroglycerin but is actually composed of mixture of RDX and TNT. PETN is used by the military in TNT mix for a small caliber projectile and grenades. Detonating cord is often used to connect a series of explosive charges so that they will detonate simultaneously. Detonators are blasting caps composed of copper and aluminum cases filled with lead azide as initiating charge and PETN and RDX as detonating charge. One approach for screening objects for presence of explosive residues in the field or lab is IMS.